Hey guys! Today I'm playing with our 18-inch round boutique board along with the single vintage truck and the vintage truck add-on. At this exact moment in time that I'm filming this, the add-on is not in, but it is due to come back in the week of the 7th to the 12th, I believe is the date. So what you see me here doing is putting down the first base layer of the vintage truck. Now the vintage truck does come in two pieces. You want to do the bottom of the truck first, so that way you can highlight it on the top of it with the different color. So I am using Storm and Bright White chalk paste along with a small squeegee to go ahead and bring all that color across the silkscreen area. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to peel it off, and there will be the start of our vintage truck. Now, I am heat setting it to become dry, well, heating it to be dry. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to get a little bit of Minwax and just lightly dab it on the top. I don't want to pull that bottom layer up. So sometimes that, that does work on chalkboards pretty well. Sometimes it doesn't. But for this purpose, I think it's going to work out just fine. So I am fuzzing up really well the top layer of my truck, so that way it will not pull up the bottom layer of the truck. So I'm still mixing up the Cool Breeze chalk paste. I made sure it was a nice yogurt-like consistency. And now I am placing the top layer of the vintage truck over the bottom layer. Now I'm going to just take my small squeegee and pull that Cool Breeze all over the truck portion. I'm not going to add chalk paste where the bed of the truck is. I'll come in and add that in just a few minutes. You'll see that I used bark to do that. Now I'm going to wipe off all that excess, and I'm going to peel it back just so that excuse me, that way I have time to do the bark layer and not have the chalk paste dry in the silkscreen area. So once I'm done adding all the bark over the bed of that truck, I'll pull the whole transfer off. And there you go. There's our vintage truck. How cute does that look? Now, I did have a little bubble, so I just used a Q-tip to go ahead and get the excess chalk paste that actually bled a little under that off. You guys can't see it, but I was able to see it, and it was kind of bothering me. So now I'm going to go in, I'm going to close up our bar, close up the Storm, close up the Cool Breeze, so that way I can come in and I can open up the other two colors that I'm going to be working with, which are Currant Jam and Cherry Blossom. I'm going to use the Cherry Blossom to do the next round of transfers, which is going to be the words that say loads of love. So, oh, nope, I apologize. I'm using it for the back of the truck, which is all those fun hearts. I'm going to use the Currant Jam to go ahead and, put those super cute hearts in the back of that truck. So I'm pulling the color over the silkscreen area. I'm going to get that excess off, wipe it right back into my jar. And then once I am done, I can go in and peel off that transfer, and look how cute our hearts look. Oh, guys, even watching this, I'm talking this through to you on the replay, I still get amazed. It still makes me, I feel like a pro because of just how easy it is. And it's fun. It really is, guys. So now let's come in. Let's do loads of, and then like I said, fun. And we're going to do that with our Cherry Blossom chalk paste. Just mixing up to a nice yogurt-like consistency. And then once that consistency is good, I'm going to come in and I'm going to take my small squeegee and I am going to apply that all over the silkscreen area. And when I put the silkscreen down, I made sure I had no bumps in the silkscreen area, so we are all good. Now I'm going to come in, wipe that excess off, pull that transfer back, and there we go. We have loads of. How stinking cute is it? I love it. Now I'm going to put the love down. Before I put the love down, you did see me pull my heat tool out. I just dried it real quick first to make sure that it does not come off when I put the love transfer down. So doing the same exact thing, guys. Putting my squeegee into the chalk paste, pulling the chalk paste across the silkscreen area, wiping the excess off, and then the reveal. Looks so cute. Now, we totally could stop right here and it would be absolutely adorable, but we do get some little small hearts that are also inside the vintage truck add-on. So I thought, how fun would it be if I just added some random little hearts with the Currant Jam and the cherry blossom. So I'm doing the bigger hearts in the Currant Jam, the bigger of the two, I should say. With the Currant Jam, I'm just going around the board. I'm trying to stick to in front of the truck. I think I may have done maybe one in the back of the truck. But just randomly on the board, slightly off the board, half off the board. I just kind of went all around and did that. I just thought the more random the pattern was, the cuter it would look. So now I'm going to take another little chunk of a small squeegee that I have cut because this little heart is super teeny tiny, and I'm going to use the cherry blossom chalk paste, and I am going to apply it all over that little silk screen area to give even more little hearts up there. It looks like, you know, the hearts are coming out of the back of the truck and the front of the truck. It just looks super cute. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I really do hope that you love this. And if you're interested in getting this vintage truck and vintage truck add-on when they both come back in stock, just comment below and I will be happy to tag you as soon as I see them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. You can get these items and more in my online store. Bye.